Lions track a possible kill. Half an hour ago, a 5-year-old buffalo gave birth to a daughter. All the females in the herd know the value of this calf. With long pregnancies, every child is precious. The lionesses smell the newborn. Where females hunt, the males follow. The buffalo sense the threat. They start to mob, making it hard to pick off individuals. Compared to the lionesses, an adult buffalo is bigger. Heavier. With deadly horns. But the lions are here for an easy snack: the newborn calf. The buffalo must protect the latest addition to their bloodline. The lionesses understand the risks. They're licked, and they know it.